Detecting suspension problems in vehicles can be done through a combination of visual inspection and paying attention to how the vehicle handles and behaves on the road. Here are some signs that may indicate suspension issues. Uneven tire wear. Inspect your tires for uneven wear patterns. Excessive wear on the inside or outside edges of the tires may indicate suspension problems. Vehicle pulling to one side. If your vehicle tends to drift or pull to one side while driving on a straight road, it could be a sign of suspension misalignment or worn-out components. Excessive bouncing. When driving over bumps or dips, if your vehicle continues to bounce excessively, it could indicate worn-out or damaged shocks or struts. Poor handling and stability. If your vehicle feels unstable or exhibits excessive body roll when cornering, it may be due to worn-out shocks, struts, or other suspension components. Noisy suspension. Listen for any clunking, knocking, or squeaking sounds when going over bumps or during turns. Unusual noises can indicate worn-out or damaged suspension parts. Vibrations. Excessive vibrations felt through the steering wheel or the vehicle's body may be an indication of suspension problems. These vibrations can occur during acceleration, braking, or at certain speeds. Difficulty in steering. If you experience difficulty in steering, such as a stiff or overly responsive steering wheel, it could be due to suspension issues. Visible damage or leaks. Inspect the suspension components for any visible damage, such as bent or broken parts, leaking fluid from shocks or struts, or worn-out bushings. If you notice any of these signs, it is advisable to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic or suspension specialist. They will be able to diagnose the problem accurately and recommend the necessary repairs or replacements to restore the suspension's proper functioning.